been a while since I shared an update on my terrace garden. So just came up. It's morning around 7:15 or 7:30 here in Hyderabad. So these are some new additions to my terrace garden. So this is brinjal plants. These um, I think I don't remember what variety seeds I've grown, sowed, but yeah, they're coming up, and hopefully we'll see it's a uh, white brinjal or a violet one. Don't know. Let's check it out. But yeah, and this is a cucumber plant which I've sowed the seeds. The cucumber is growing here, and the terrace is filled with all these. I don't know. I'm not able to walk around also. You can see all this. And so this is a capsicum plant, and these are okra plants which we getting a good harvest of them. So just plucked a few, around 10 of them. And again, these are tomato plants, these are shoe flower plants, and in between there's a chili plant also coming up here. This is another brinjal, and these are again okra plants. We've been getting a good harvest of okras, around 20 to 30 a week. So it's nice to have them grow on your terrace and prepare a curry after of them. So yeah, and this is I don't know what plant is this. It's just fallen and grown. I think it is a gourd or a cucumber, don't know. Maybe it's a cucumber. And this is the papaya plant, and this is the mango plant. And these are some flowering plants which we brought from the upper terrace. So this is a variety of these flowers. So one is pink, one is white, and one is yellow, and the red one. This is a drumstick plant, drumstick tree. And these are the green amaranthus has grown all over. So you can see many green amaranthus here. And this is some plant again. I don't remember what I planted here. It's coming. These are chili plants again. You can see many chilies on the plants. So we just plucked a few of them again here. And this is the chiku plant. There are not many chikus now. Earlier we got an harvest of around 5 to 6 chikus. This is a basil plant. This is the pomegranate, and again these are all green amaranthus. The whole thing here. This whole bunch is green amaranthus. So this is a sweet lemon plant, and this is a watermelon plant. So we bought these stands a month back so that we can add more. So you can see around 4 to 5 stands of them. And these are the rose plants which we brought from the upper terrace. This is a white and this is a red variety. And this is a jasmine plant. This is a jade plant. And this is broccoli. And this is beans. So I've sowed some seeds and they are growing well. So waiting for them to grow fast. And the muskmelon plant I think it has dried up. So this is the only muskmelon which is left for us to harvest. It's a small one, you see. And even the bitter gourd plant has dried up. So I think we have to remove this and sow more seeds. So this is again another mango tree here and a custard apple tree. And these are the green mulberry trees and the red one, red and green variety. Currently there are no fruits on these, but maybe we should prune them or remove the leaves so that we can get more of them. So I don't see any mulberries on the plant trees. And this is broad beans, I think. Yeah, and this is a Malabar spinach plant. This is a guava tree, and this guava tree has been giving us really sweet and good guavas. We almost plucked daily one guavas for the last 1 month. So this is the only one left now, and really sweet ones. So this is a pomegranate plant, and the lemon plant which was there, it dried up and we had to remove it. So we will be planting another one here soon. So these are on this side, and here we have this is a bottle gourd plant. You can see it's slowly growing and going towards the support, and this is a sponge gourd plant. So both are growing together, so we don't know which plant is which. They're both mixed up. So this is a sponge gourd and that is a bottle gourd. So this is it. These are the varieties we have on the terrace garden, and yeah, these are the some brinjals, capsicum, okra, and broccoli and beans. These are something which we planted newly, and yeah, they're all growing, and tomatoes too. So eagerly waiting for all of them to grow and give us. Yeah, okra has given us a good harvest. So waiting for the brinjals, bottle gourds, and sponge gourds, and the other plants also. So yeah, this is it. Stay tuned and please follow for more updates on my terrace garden. Thank you.